guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is your host Nami. Here is another video of analyzing gold together. I'm going to start it very quick to make the video as short as possible. So this is our daily time frame. Let me unhide my analyst. As you see, still we are in the range, that channel that I said previous, which these areas are very important because every time price came to these areas, we saw a reaction and the price moves to the other side, even from this side or this side. So due to some geopolitical conflicts that happens, we saw a big raising for gold here. Yesterday wasn't moving a lot in a daily time frame, but still on a 4-hour time frame we see a beautiful market structure, high high and high again. So we are in an uptrend zone, today. As you see, I made my support and resistance levels very clear, and if you notice, this one is because we have a major resistance around here. So our upward move maximum is going to be around 180.85 and 180.75. So this is my projection as a maximum resistance if the price grows today, and if it's going downward, the big major support is going to be 1833, 1834. Here is a gap that I talked before, which happens in all the terminals, but it depends on the brokers. But I checked 2 brokers that I have an account on it. Both have a big gap here. So we should have this in our mind, that this gap is going to be filled. But when, we don't know. We just will have this in our mind. If I'm talking for a longer period of time, swing trade, around these areas, I will be happy to see some confirmation to going down. And if it's happening, the major zone that price will react to it is going to be here. So there's going to be the whole new price correction to the downside to here. So all this upward is going to be corrected anytime. I'm not saying that in 1 hour or 1 day is going to be happen, because this move didn't happen in a 1 hour or 1 day. But I'm going to have a longer projection of the market. But this support resistance, price went up, broke this resistance, came to retest it. It's beautiful market structure. It couldn't be nicer than this. This is the best example. You see price come up, consolidate, retest the broken area, make the bullish candle. The next one, when it's broke the high, you see the big candle. This should be your trade candle. Price came down again, retested, went up. This is the best beautiful market structure example that you can see. Okay, right now we are in the London session time. In like 2 hours later is going to be New York open. So slowly we are getting into pre-New York open time. The trades that I'm going to consider for today. Let's first check our calendar. Okay. So, today 11th of October 2023. Earlier we had inflation rate for Germany, which is yearly one, came 4.5, exactly what was forecast, and same for a monthly. And CPI, okay, as I don't mistaken, the PPI for Germany came as well yesterday or a day before yesterday, which it wasn't looks very good for a country. But I'm just working on the United States and anything related to US dollar, because I mostly trade gold. Sometimes I trade GBP GPY, which is British pound against Japanese yen. But for today, 11th of October, we will have the United States PPI, which is going to be half an hour later than New York Open. New York Open is at 8 o'clock New York time. So this is going to be 8:30. And later on, we have FOMC minutes. So I'm not expecting to price moving a lot till this news. If it's due, in my opinion, is going to be the market makers. On 30-minute time frame, we have a support here. We made a little resistance here as well. Okay, just made them a bit more visible. So let's check in 1 hour. Okay, for me, this is 23 pip area. My first scenario is going to be a long for this. I might leave some 10% of my position running after this, but mostly I'm going to be taking profit at 20 pip, 2024. Or if any confirmation for the price getting down, I see in these two time frames, 15 minutes or 30 minutes. As you see, price is consolidating at this time on 15 minutes time frame, little bit on 30 minutes. This area is going to be 30 pip. So if any market structure I see like this one, that I showed you on 4 hour, like this, you see how beautiful it made. If I see any market structure, something like this for getting long, or opposite one getting short, something like this, you see, it's beautiful. If I see anything like this, I'm going to consider my first scenario or second scenario, depends on the movement that I saw. So I'm looking for a little for long, I'm looking for a little bearish candle, and then seeing how the structure gonna show me which the price go up or if it's go down. So I'm going to wait. I'm at the charts now. I'm going to wait to see what's going to be happen from New York Open and after it. Not trading for pre-New York. But any of those structures that I'm saying, if it's happening, I'm going to have my position. I will try to record that live as well. So I'm going to be uploaded later today and make you guys updated. Thank you guys for listening. If you have any question or idea, anything, you can comment it below. Please subscribe to my channel and have a nice day. Please guys, don't over trade and over risk. Be safe.